Up. Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on my Beamer. Yeah, my R1200GS. What are we gonna do today? Well, today we're gonna have fun. I accidentally ordered this part. And it pushes the chain, the cam chain, between the cam sprockets. It was not that expensive, yeah, 25 euros. But I ordered it from a German company, and to send it back and waiting for my money, I thought I keep it and I'm gonna mount it. Why? Just for fun. So, come on over and we start. Now guys, I put the bike on the side stand, so I can easily access this. The first thing we're gonna do is take this wonderful cap off. So, come on over. Up. That's one. Then we're gonna carefully take this. Maybe I need, yes, there he is. This connector off, also easy. Then we have the stick coil puller. Slide it on. Up. Easy as Dell. This one out. Oh. But yeah. Stick coil and special plastic Tupperware. Then, oh, by the way, Torx 40. Yep. Up. Up. Actually, this is really easy here, guys. Okay. Like this. I need to wash it. See, it's filthy. Then take this one off. Carefully pry it a bit with screwdriver. Up. Up. Place the towel over here. I didn't knew that there was so much oil coming out. Thought this is the one there, and have to remove this one too. Yes, behind this one is also a hole there and there. Easier. Maybe. Yes. It's Torx 30. This one out. No. There it comes. He's a man-eater. There is a Loctite onto it. Knowing a BMW. Hey, yes, there he is. And again. Okay, this one Yes. That's the one. I like it. That's this Torx. And it is size TX20. Okay. Guys, if you want this ratchet, look in the description. Go to my Amazon tool shop and there you find it. Okay. And then there was, wait a minute there. Yes. Oh. Actually, I'm curious if it's worn. This bolt out, this one out, and we can take it off, guys. Actually, it's brand new. Holy shit. But I'm gonna replace it anyway as I have it. Okay, then slide it in between here. The long special Torx comes over there. Okay, and the short one comes over there. It needs to be torqued with 10 Newton meters. So we're gonna get the torque wrench and we're going to torque it to spec. Oh, that's loose, and that's, no, it got out. Okay. Then, guys, I got my torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 10 Newton meters, and that's, oops, over there. Okay, then we're gonna take this one. That's one. Then we have this one. Okay. Okay. Then we have this one, and that one was with Loctite. So I'm gonna put a Loctite onto it. Medium strength, 243. Okay, hope. Yes. Then this one first. Let's see if it hooks somewhere. No, it was just like this. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna torque that one too. Oh, Was already on 10. No. This one. Okay. Check everything. Clean. There is some oil here, I think. Okay, then hop. Yeah, I'm gonna empty it over here. Okay. Then pop. Wait a minute, we have to pull this out. Then hop. Yes. Be sure it's nicely in place, which it is, I feel. Screw it in by hand, guys, eh? It's all aluminium, and before you know, you start cross-threading the stuff. So, I was made for loving you, baby. Okay. Then, now guys, the cover needs to be torqued with 10 Newton meters, but 10 is nothing and a bit. So, you have to torque it with 10, I'm gonna torque it tighter, like this is 13. Let's feel it. Wait a minute, do it another way. I'm gonna torque it by hand and feel this. Okay, this is tight enough. Now let's see where I torqued it. I'm gonna put it all the way back, something like this. Let's feel. Okay. 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 Guys, I torqued it with 13. Yes. This one. Yes. Okay. It's 10. I don't trust it, can't help it. 10 is yeah, nothing. Then, guys, we have that one. Carefully slide it in and click. The cable, the connection, there is this thing. Click. Okay. Then be sure your cable is in there. Needs to be in there. Yeah, it's old, huh? Okay, something like this, and then yes, that was it. Now, okay. Guys, to put away your torque wrench, with this one, there is a free play. Screw it in until you feel the drag, and that's the way to hang it in your shed or put it in your toolbox. Don't forget that. Okay. Now guys, there was my video. How to change the jump stop, as they call it, on the right cylinder. Was it difficult? No. Was it necessary? No. Why did I do it? Well, just to have fun. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up and then all the stuff. No. I hope to see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out.